I'm back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Salad Bar channel, guys. At the moment we're going 400 subscribers, and I'm gonna make you a lovely, simple, healthy salad, guys. And you know what I mean, I said to myself, a lot of people, we are going really healthy and I love it. So I'm just gonna introduce you to one of my salad. I got some mixed leaf inside of this bowl right here. Very easy, quickly and simple, nothing too complicated. We got some mixed leaf. Go to any local shop and buy a pack of mixed leaf. You can buy some, either you want to buy some iceberg lettuce or sweet jam lettuce. Chop it up and make. But I have a pack of the mixed leaf right here, and I decided to make a healthy salad and a healthy recipe. I got some pomegranate seeds. You know, you can get the pomegranate seed, the fresh pomegranate seeds to buy, or you can buy the pomegranate, get the seed out, and I'm gonna pop it straight inside of this bowl right here on the mixed leaf. Oops. Wow. I have half a cucumber, and all I'm going to do is just simple. Slice up my cucumber just like this. Very easy. Put it straight inside of it like that. Two things, you could either cut up your tomato. I have some plum tomato right here. You know what, guys, I'm gonna make it a more even neater. I'm gonna be slicing these into half and put it straight inside of the bowl, because it's just gonna be looking a little bit more unique and even better. Also, you can put some spring onion or red onion, whatever you like to put inside of it. But I'm just gonna simply keep this very simple and unique for the fans. Alright, I'm not gonna be using all of this plum tomato. I'm just gonna be using roughly half of it. So I'll put the rest one side. Next thing, I'm gonna put a teaspoon of honey inside of it. Lovely. Little bit of black pepper. And also, I'm going to put some lemon juice, half of a lemon juice, which is very good. And lemon is really healthy for you. So I'm gonna squeeze it, catch the seeds. Very healthy recipe, guys. And I know you guys will definitely love this one. Second thing, I have, you can use olive oil or whatever oil I like to use. I'm using some olive oil at the moment. That's a pinch of olive oil. And all I'm going to do is get my bowl. Look at this, get the gloves. And I'm gonna just mix it up like this. Alright? And that's simple. Put it straight inside of the bowl like this. Really lovely and simple. Not only that, is the pomegranate seeds is really healthy, and that's exactly what I always want to get to the fans to make them this recipe. Because I love pomegranate seeds. Alright? Simple as that. Nothing complicated. You're not gonna be late for work, and it's something very quick and simple if you come from work in the evening and you want to do something very simple. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Very simple, really nice, lovely, balanced with the tomato and the cucumber and the mixed leaf and the pomegranate seed. It's just amazing recipe. So please enjoy it, subscribe, leave your comments below. And as you can see, this is from Chef Ricardo and the team, and this is a salad bar channel, guys. We will be coming with a lot more recipe, simple recipe, effective recipe where you guys going to love. So please enjoy it, and I will see you next time. And this is from Chef Ricardo Salad Bar channel. Enjoy it.